Hello, I am Ian with Touratech USA, and I'm here to talk to you about bar risers. Everybody's really familiar with these little bar risers here. These are our two-piece bar risers for the Honda Africa Twin, but what I'm really interested in is the new Touratech bridged handlebar riser for the Africa Twin. You'll notice this is one piece. The rise is still a 20 millimeter height. We find that's the best compromise between no modifications to the cables and getting most people in the right ergonomic position. The really cool thing about this riser is that it's one solid piece. The Africa Twin and a lot of other adventure bikes have a rubber mounted handlebar clamp that's designed to isolate vibrations from the frame on the motorcycle. And the rubber mounts, they allow a little bit of wiggle room, especially if you drop the bike. The handlebars can actually twist in the mounts. When you add bar risers, that just makes it that much worse by increasing the leverage that the handlebars have on those rubber mounts. This bridged riser connects both sides of those rubber isolators. It doesn't have any effect on the vibration isolation. It just really increases the rigidity against twisting forces that you'll experience if you drop the bike. So again, this is the Touratech bridged handlebar riser for the Africa Twin. Increases the strength, makes your ride more reliable. If you want to learn more about it, check it out at TouratechUSA.com.